Now the next set of illustrations are based on the nth term of an AP. So let us take them one by one. Illustration 7 is about finding the 18th term of the sequence of a given sequence. The given sequence is 7, 4, minus 7, 4, 1, minus 2, minus 5 and so on. We have to find the 18th term. First of all, we have to identify whether it is the given sequence is an AP or not. So the common difference here would be minus 3. Here also it will be minus 3. Here also it's minus 3. So it's confirmed that the common difference is a fixed number and hence the given sequence is an AP. Now, for the given AP, the first term, that is A, is equal to 7. The common difference is equal to, you take difference of any two consecutive numbers. So A2 is 4 and A1 is 7. So we get 7 minus 4, that is equal to 3. And since we have to find the 18th term, therefore n is 18. If you recall, what was the value of an? An was written as a plus n minus 1 into d. Now we have to find a18, that is the 18th term. A18 would be equal to, what's a? A is 7. So it will be 7 plus 18 minus 1 into, the difference is 4 minus 7, sorry. 4 minus 7, it's minus 3. So the difference, common difference would be minus 3 here. So it will become 7 plus 17 into minus 3. That will be equal to 7 minus 51. That will be minus 44. So the 18th term of the given sequence would be minus 44. And you see how we obtain it. We know the first term. We know the common difference by subtracting any two consecutive terms. We arrive at the common difference. Here it is A2 minus A1 would be 4 minus 7, that is minus 3. Since we have to find the 18th term, we have to take n equal to 18 and then we use the formula, the general formula for the nth term, which is an equal to a plus n minus 1d. We substitute the given values to obtain the final value. Over here it is minus 44. Let us take the second illustration. The second illustration is which term of the AP 7, 12, 17 is 87. Now it is given that this is an AP where the first term is 7. The common difference is 12 minus 7 is equal to 5. Now we have to find which term is 87. Let 87 be the nth term of the AP. Now how do we write it? An equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. An is 87, it is given. So we can write 87 is equal to a is 7. N we have to find out. We don't know which term is it, and this is 5. We get 7 plus 5, or let's simplify it. We take 7 here. So what we get is 87 minus 7 equal to n minus 1 into 5, or 80 by 5 is equal to n minus 1, or n equal to 16 plus 1 equal to 17. So 87 is the 17th term of the given AP. How do we obtain it? See, we have the given AP is 7, 12, 17, etc. So the first term would be 7. The common difference would be 12 minus 7 or 17 minus 12, which is equal to 5. So D will be equal to 5. Given 87 is a term of the AP. Let this 87 be the nth term. So for nth term we have the formula an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. We don't know yet what n is. We have to find out what n is. But we know that an is 87, a is 7, d is 5. We substitute the values and obtained n as 17. So we can say that 87 is the 17th term of the given AP. Now the third illustration. How many terms are there in the AP 7, 13, 19, it goes on to 205. Now, how do we approach this question? Here we identify A or the first term as 7. The common difference would be 13 minus 7 that is equal to 6. Now the last term, the nth term is 205. Now if we can find what the value of n is, what is this nth term, we will be able to find out how many terms are there in the AP. Why? Because 205 is the last term of the given AP. So we assume an to be 205. Now we use the formula again. It's an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So we have an is 205 equal to 7 plus n minus 1 into 6. We take 7 this side, so we get 198 is equal to n minus 1 into 6. This cancels out. We get 33. So we get n equal to 33 plus 1 is equal to 34. So 205 is the 34th term of the given AP. And since 205 is the last term, we can say that there are 34 terms in the given AP 7, 13, 19 up to 205. So this is how we solve these questions based on the nth term. We will be looking at a few more examples. So let's attempt those.